To publish our Docker images to dockerhub, we have to create an account on dockerhub. You have to go to hub.docker.com and create an account. I have already created an account, and there I have a few test applications, images that is I already pushed it. But now we're gonna push our new Docker image, which is my app. First, we have to tag this image. We use Docker tag for that, and then Docker tag, and then we're gonna give the ID of, or we can use also the name, or we can use the ID is better. It's the same ID, yeah. And then we're gonna give the name of our repository or hub repository, which is my one is like this / and we give the name of the app, my Flask app, and then we also give the tag 0.1 release. After the image is tagged, we can see Docker images, so it is tagged only there. Now we're gonna push it, Docker push, and we say add all this image, and then we give the version of that. So let's say 1. minus release. This tag will be saved on the dockerhub. So now we can just wait a few seconds, and this is gonna push our image to our repository. But to do that, before you have to also log in with the Docker login to the Docker repository using bash, and then this will also authenticate automatically. Now you can go to the web, to the browser, and see if the new image is there. You're gonna refresh our page, and there is our image, my Flask application. Just a few seconds before we just pushed it. So this is the way that you can publish your image, and you can share this image with other people that they can use it. You can also make it, this is a public view, but you can also make it private if you want.